Welcome to this quick 10-minute workout. This is a great workout. We are starting off with a warm-up of high pulls. You want to keep your core tight and pretend to be pulling something down from the ceiling and kicking something in front of you. Awesome. This is a great workout to do if you are just a little out of shape and you're looking for a non-intimidating way to get back into working out. This is the perfect workout for you. All right, next up we have step jacks. Your core is tight and you are stepping from side to side while waving your arms in the air. You don't have to go too fast with this. Just take it easy. This is just the warm up. We just want to get your blood flowing and get you ready for the actual workout. You're doing good. Keep moving. Good. Our next move is the knee to elbow. Your core is tight and you're just trying to touch your elbows to your knees. It's fine if your elbows don't touch your knees. Just go through your own range of motion. We're just trying to get your body warmed up. Good. Just a few more. You can do this. Keep going. Good. Next up, we have a quad stretch. You're going to just try to touch your heel to your butt. Keep your core tight to maintain your balance or hold on to a chair or a wall. There you go. Okay, go ahead and switch legs and do the same thing on the other side. Your core is tight to maintain your balance and you're just trying to touch your heel to your booty. Awesome! Here's a preview of our first exercise. This is air squats. Your core is tight. You're going to pretend to be sitting back into a chair and you're just going to go as quickly as you can manage. You don't have to keep up pace with me. Just go at your own pace. Good. Really make sure your core is tight. Make sure you're comfortable with the movement. And then if you can go faster, go faster. If you can't go faster, it's fine. The main thing here is that you're moving. Good. Keep going. Awesome. So next we're going to do an elbow plank. You want to just get on your elbows and keep your core tight. Try to keep a straight line from your head down to your heel. Don't let your booty hang down or hike up. Just really try to control this by engaging your core. Let's do it. Good. Really keep that core tight. Try to keep your shoulders relaxed. All the power should be coming from the center of your body. Take a quick break if you need to, and then get back into it. Just a few more seconds. You did it! All right, next we have bird dog. You're going to get on all fours and just extend your opposite leg and your opposite hand, keeping your core tight the whole time. You got it? Let's do it together. You're doing good. You're doing good. Go at your own pace. This is a really good exercise for your butt, your legs, your abs. It's very, very effective and efficient. Just a few more seconds. You're doing so good. Okay, next up we have push-ups. So you can do a modified push-up on the left, or you can do a full push-up which you see on the right. Do what fits your fitness level. If you don't want to do push-ups at all, you can do an elbow plank again. I know these can be very rough, but I also know that you can do anything you put your mind to. So just do your best, and that's all you can do. I am so proud of you right now. We are going to do a plank and then you're going to get a rest break. So let's go back into those elbow planks, keeping the core tight, straight line from head to heel. Abs are tight and you are hanging on for dear life for 30 seconds. Let's do it. Remember, after this, you get a break. So don't quit on me now. Just hang in there. You got this. You can do this. Positive thoughts. You can do this. Hang in there. You can relax quickly if you need to, but get right back into it. Awesome work. All right, let's take a full minute to rest. You have earned it. Oh my goodness. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. It's totally free for you and it means so much to me. And I will be back after the break. Welcome back. We are starting off with dead bugs. Your hands are pointed towards the ceiling, your core is tight, lower back is on the floor, and you are just extending one leg at a time. You are doing this motion using mostly your lower ab muscles. Let's do it together. Yeah, good. Really control this movement with your abs. There you go. Just a few more. Next up, we have glute bridges because, we cannot forget our lower body. Keep that core tight and just squeeze your booty to go up and then release to go down. Let's do it together. Just 30 seconds. You're almost at the end. Good. Make sure your core is tight. Make sure you're squeezing that booty to go to the top of the movement and releasing it to go down. Yeah, you're doing it right. You're doing good. You nailed it. All right. Let's go into mountain climbers. Your core is tight and you are just climbing. This is such a good exercise for abs, for overall cardio. It is really, really good. And you can do it. Go at your own pace. Let's do it together. Two more exercises and we are done. Can you believe it? You have worked out today. That is amazing. Almost there. You might be slowing down, but as long as you're moving, you're doing good. Keep going. Awesome work. Okay, we're going to do a plank. This time it's a wide stance plank. Your feet are just a bit wider than your mat. Your core is tight and you're trying to keep a straight line from your head all the way down to your heels. Can you do it? I think you can. Let's do it together. Keep that core tight and don't hike your booty or let it sag. Good, good. You want to control this movement because you got this. You should be feeling so good right now. Just a few more seconds. Last exercise of the day, bird dog. You've done this before. Keep that core tight. Extend your opposite hand and opposite leg, and just try to control the movement and engage your core as you do this. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together. I'm sorry. I'll stop singing now. You're doing good. This is your last exercise. Oh my God, you worked out today. Good job. Let's do a quick cool down together. I want you to just rest on your heel and go into child's pose and just breathe. Just breathe, catch your breath. You have worked hard today and I am proud of you. You have done a good thing for your body. Just hold in that position and breathe. Go ahead and flip around and just hug your knee to your chest. Go through your own range of motion. Go ahead and switch legs and do the same thing. Just hug your knee to your chest. Go ahead and grab both knees and hug both knees to your chest when you're ready, and gently just rock from side to side to really calm down. You did good today. That was a good workout. You did something good for yourself, and I am so proud of you. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next workout video.